Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making brunch casserole. Alright, I'm starting out here in a large bowl. I have 4 large eggs. I'm going to scramble them up quick. Alright, now I have 2 cups of milk I'm going to add in. And Dexter's in a good mood because we're not having chicken tonight, but he doesn't know that eggs come from chickens. What's that, Dexter? Yeah, eggs come from cows. Yeah. I'm going to mix that together. Now I'm going to use my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt with black garlic, or with black pepper and garlic. And this also has onion powder in it. I'm going to put in a tablespoon. If you don't have this, use a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of onion, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to stir that in. Right now in a 9x13 baking pan, I spray with some canola oil. I'm going to add in 2 boxes of cornbread stuffing mix. The savory herb will also do if you can't find a cornbread. And I swear you have to be Arnold Schwarzenegger to rip these bags open. Just cut that with a knife. Get that down in there, and get my second box in there. Alright. I'm going to even out my stuffing mix. Now I'm going to take that egg and spice mixture and dump that down over top of the stuffing. Let me grab a spoon so we get all this moistened up so we don't have any crispy parts. You just want to incorporate the breadcrumb into the milk and egg mixture. And guys, this is smelling good already. Alright, now I'm going to put some shredded cheddar cheese on here. Just a nice coating. And I have a pound of ground breakfast sausage I browned up. We're going to put that on top of the cheese. You could also use bacon in place of the breakfast sausage if you like. And I'm going to even that out. And I'm going to put another layer of cheese on there. Now I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes till the cheese melts and the eggs cook through. Guys, I left this bake for 30 minutes. That was long enough, and I went ahead and garnished it with a little bit of parsley. Let me get here and try this. You can see how cheesy that is. Stuffing is moist. It's well seasoned, cheesy. You get that sausage. It kind of tastes like a really delicious French toast. Really easy, really delicious. Alright, there you have it. Brunch casserole. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.